A Subaru wheel spacers, good or bad? Quality Subaru wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. But Subaru wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the hub assembly and the wheels. High-quality Subaru wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel education, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Subaru wheel spacers offer easy and free wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing Subaru wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems. They are installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These Subaru wheel spacers are helpful in preventing loader rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension components. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Subaru wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces weight. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Subaru wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive stance. Many people will agree that their vehicles look better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS active-cooling Subaru wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any kind of 4x4 events. The Subaru wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, BONOSS active-cooling Subaru wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, increasing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS active-cooling Subaru wheel spacers feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs as well as ISO grade 10 magnets. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TV certification reports. In addition, BONOSS active-cooling Subaru wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives a peace of mind. Such BONOSS active-cooling Subaru wheel spacers are truly a good option for your driving needs.